I don't understand how some men won't allow their wives to have careers and then also have a problem with the institution of alimony or will only be willing to pay very small amounts as alimony. What will happen to these women in the event of divorce? How will they support themselves after not working outside the home for so many years? They'll try to get justice from the courts. In the case of a couple that got married in 1997, the husband filed for divorce in 2008. Over the years, several interim maintenance and litigation expense orders were issued to the husband by the lower courts. In 2019, the Calcutta High Court granted divorce with directions to the husband to transfer ownership of the matrimonial flat to the appellant wife and to pay her a permanent alimony of 20,000 rupees per month, subject to a 5% increase every 3 years. Dissatisfied with the quantum of alimony, the wife approached the Supreme Court claiming that 20,000 rupees was inadequate given the husband's income and their former standard of living. The husband contended that he had remarried, had dependents, and that his income was now lower. But the apex court noted that the husband was drawing a salary of 1.64 lakh rupees per month. And so, it held that a divorced woman who is unmarried is entitled to enjoy the level of maintenance reflective of the standard of living she enjoyed during marriage and which reasonably secures her future. Considering inflation, the wife's dependence on maintenance, and the husband's earning capacity, the Supreme Court enhanced the alimony to 50,000 rupees per month with a 5% increase every 2 years. That's reassuring. Head to the comments to share your thoughts on this verdict and subscribe to Factly for more such informative content.